Hey guys, it's Rich Robin right here, founder and owner of Gator Pit of Texas. I've got a value line gator pit right here that we have for sale with a 20% off discount going on right now. We don't have sales very often and they're kind of random when we do have them. And right now we've got it going on for a limited time. It's only available now, I think, to the end of this month, September 2018. If you want to get 20% off any of our cookers, smokers, and grills in our value line at gatorpit.net, go to gatorpit.net, click on our value line model of smokers and grills, and you'll see this cooker along with other ones there with their price, and take 20% off of that listed price that's on that website. That's a hell of a deal for a custom cooker. And again, we call these our value line because this is kind of where you start out with a custom gator pit, smoker, or grill. And it's not that there's any quality cut in these cookers. We just minimized the custom features that are on them to be able to reduce that price that we list them for on the website. So get a chance, go check them out at gatorpit.net and get these on order. You'll have to call our office at 713-896-0144 to get this 20% off sale that we're running right now. Again, take the price that's on the website and take 20% off of that price. Okay, I'm Rich Robin. Give me a call. I'm going to show you this pit right now. Let me turn this around. If I can figure this out. Gator Pit of Texas custom barbecue pits. I am going to walk you through this value line on our website at gatorpit.net. This is a 1/4-inch thick, 20 by 32 long smoker and a grill to grill into the firebox. You have your stainless steel handles, your fully flanged doors, solid welds all the way around, your Gator badging, your adjustable smokestack, Gator badging there as well, your push-pull handle, your heavy-duty hinges. Inside you have a half removable top food rack and a split lower food rack, so this makes it easy to get out. And you can see that there are crossbars in here to reinforce it and also to have it rest on. And there's more flat bar all the way around, front and the back, and then these in the middle or on each side to reinforce that grate, so you don't have to worry about it sagging on you under heat and stress of the weight of the meat on there. Your grill firebox, stainless steel handles, same thing inside here. Supported fully on the front and the rear, and crossbars again, except these are welded to the actual grate itself. So when you take this out, that is completely open to your fire grate down below. So if you're just smoking in here and not grilling, you can load wood from the top, or you can load it from the side here. And there's your angle frame fire grate, 1/4-inch thick and reinforced with angle and more angle in the middle. Makes it last longer. We took the dial style air intake vent off of this because we're actually fixing to pallet it and ship it, but it does come with a dial style air intake vent, obviously, to open and close that off. Let me get back and you see the whole thing now opened up. Again, value line at gatorpit.net, 20 by 32. We've got several grills and several smokers listed at that site that you can choose from. Beautiful pit, high heat barbecue black, multiple coats, heavy duty casters. This one comes standard with 2 of the heavy duty rigids. If you want to add the swivels, you can. That is listed on the page as an option to add. All steel front shelf. It's a good size front shelf, comes out about 10 inches. This one shows the Gator Pit temperature gauge. The gauge is an option on this model, and in fact it's an option on all the value line models. It does come with a coupler. You do get the coupler, but the gauge, you have to add the gauge to any of the value line models. Again, these pits have the same quality as all of our Gator pits and built by the same guys in my shop. The difference is we removed a lot of the custom features to be able to reduce the cost of the cooker, and we can offer it to customers that want a custom quality Gator pit, but they're not looking to spend $2,000, $3,000 or more on a custom cooker. And they can get this value line model or selection that we have on our website at gatorpit.net and get into these for just over $1,000 and have a great custom Gator pit quality smoker or grill. I'm Rich Robin. There's my numbers. Give me a call. See ya.